welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, remember to subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the love. Yeah, so watu wamefunga shule, they're on holiday, and I want to make an afternoon snack for them because wanakula. Today I want to make waffles, and I'm going to show you step by step how I make my waffles. Yeah. So guys, let's get straight into the video. Guys, here are my ingredients. I have sugar, baking powder, salt, I have margarine, flour, eggs, vanilla essence, and I have the milk there. Then I have this bowl that I'm going to mix my ingredients in, and the fork. Then here's the waffle maker. Before I heat the waffle maker, I'm going to mix up all the ingredients so that I can make the paste. Yeah. So the first step, I'm going to heat the margarine. Of course, I'm not going to use all of it. I'm going to heat the margarine so that it can liquidify, so that I'm able to mix with the eggs and the vanilla essence. Then the dry ingredients, I'm going to mix them up together. Yeah, like the flour, the sugar, yeah, all these dry ingredients, I'm going to mix them in the flour. Yeah, so
there's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you,
guys, you can see the flour if you want.
When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. Even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't.
So guys, I'm done mixing my ingredients. Hii ndio nimepata. Very smooth and inanukia poa, inanukia vanilla, yeah. So I'm going to let it rest for like 5 minutes. Alafu in the meantime, ikirest, wacha ni heat waffle maker, then nipake margarine ama oil, but then tuweke paste yetu, tuone venye waffles zetu zitatokea. It takes a very short time to heat up, and nastaki nipeleke marathon. So guys, I'll sprinkle the oil. Since I don't have a brush, I'll just sprinkle the oil. If you have your brush, you can brush it so that you can spread the oil evenly. But as for me, I don't have a brush. So I'll just use kienyeji. I'll sprinkle like that. Then I believe it is hot. So let me just add my paste.
'Cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would.
So let's wait for them to kujipika.
We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your.
So guys, here are our waffles. They are ready now, and they are a bit crunchy, just a little bit crunchy, because I don't want to, I never make mine to be so crunchy. I want them to be friendly to the teeth, but you can make yours as crunchy as you want. You just leave them in the waffle maker until they dry kabisa and they are crunchy, maybe like cookies, but mine are a bit soft. They are crunchy kidogo too. Yeah, so you can take them with your hot chocolate, with your porridge, whatever you want to take them with your tea. So yeah. So guys, I think I'll end this vlog here, and yeah, see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.